Welcome to the Build a Deep Agent workshop module, where you'll graduate from shallow React agents to autonomous systems that can plan, code, execute, delegate, and self-manage. The patterns that you learn in this module are the same architectural patterns behind many common deep research and AI coding assistants. We'll start by exploring what makes an agent deep, exploring the pillars that separate single-loop React agents from ones that operate reliably across dozens of steps, from explicit planning to file system access and computer use to hierarchical delegation across specialized subagents. Then, we'll get hands-on with the Deep Agents library, an open-source harness built on LangChain and LangGraph that gives you deep agent functionality in a single function call. You'll drag and drop tools onto your agent in the Deep Agents Builder UI, and then build the backend from the ground up, wiring together NVIDIA's Nemotron family of open models with the Deep Agents middleware pipeline. But increased agent autonomy also comes with risk. So we'll close the module by testing the deep agent that you just built in the context of sandboxing and security, exploring the isolation spectrum from prompt level controls down to fully sandboxed environments. By the end, you'll have built a production-grade deep agent, containerized it with Docker, and understood why OS-level enforcement is essential for autonomous execution. So let's dive in and bring deep agents to life.